Nothing Phone 2 Special Edition has been launched in India. The phone has a unique design with a red, yellow, and blue color scheme. It comes in a single 12GB RAM plus 256GB configuration and will be available in the first week of June in the country. The Nothing Phone 2 Special Edition features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 30Hz to 120Hz and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and an IP54 rated dust and water resistant build. The smartphone has an octa-core 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro SoC paired with 12GB of RAM. The Nothing Phone 2 Special Edition has a dual rear camera setup, including a 50MP sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. On the front, it has a 32MP selfie shooter. The Phone 2 is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging. Nothing Phone 2 Special Edition is priced at 27,999 rupees for the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.